What's up, chefs? I'm Cairell Killings, and today we're gonna make my famous sizzling sausage skillet. Without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. Wait. Now, let's get into the kitchen. But first things first, let's knock out these dishes. All done. Now let's get to cooking.
Let's establish our mise en place. First, you'll need 26 ounces of some delicious long grain rice. Then, you'll need 16 ounces of turkey sausage, 1 green pepper, 1 small white onion, and a clove of garlic. Also get out some olive oil, your salt of choice, and some ground black pepper. Last but not least, your secret ingredient, lemons.
Now, let's get into our prep work. Alright, chefs, now let's head to the stove.
Come on! Let's get started. Set stove to medium heat and add a dash of some extra virgin olive oil. Then add your clove of garlic, your onions, and green peppers. Make sure to get it all out and saute until tender. Once sauteed, add those sausages and mix well. Next, you can optionally add some chicken broth. And smile, because no good meal is complete without one. Stir, turn the heat up high, and bring to a boil. And please, don't give in to the temptation of testing the heat of the pan yourself, because, ouch, that hurt. Then go ahead and add your salt and pepper. Reduce heat, add rice, and it's now time for that special ingredient, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Once the timer is done, remove the lid and soak in the rich aroma. Smells divine.
Alright, chefs, we're all done, and now all that's left is to enjoy.